If you're someone who has an extreme arch in their low back, maybe you're dealing with some pain or discomfort, or it gets really sore after you work out, or maybe you notice your ribs really protrude out and you have a bit of a rib flare, this could be a perfect exercise for you. You're just gonna need a yoga block or something like this, maybe a box for like a board game, something like that, that doesn't have a lot of weight to it. And I'm gonna come down on my back with my feet, knees and hips bent to about 45 degrees. I'm gonna keep one foot pushing down into the floor just a little bit, think through the arch, maybe a 4 out of 10 effort. And the other leg's gonna come up to 90 degrees like this, so I have this nice L shape. Block's gonna go on that knee. I'm gonna reach my elbow up towards the ceiling on that side and then down into the block so I kind of connect it on that side. You can put a pad underneath your head, keeping the opposite foot in the ground, and then this nice connect on the block. I'm just gonna silently breathe in through my nose. You should really feel the opposite side kind of fill up with air, and then on the exhale, you're gonna blow air through your mouth like you're blowing through a straw until you feel the ribs come down and you feel this oblique on this side or your kind of side abs get some tension, and then you're gonna rinse and repeat. Whole time the down leg is pushing into the ground just a little bit. Exhale until you find that oblique. Inhale after that. You're gonna do a couple sets of 5 breaths. You can do both sides and see if that gives you some alleviation for that back discomfort. This will be for that right lateral hip. You'll wanna lay on your left side. You can put your left arm on or you can by all means put a pillow or something. The left leg is gonna be flexed or brought up to about 60 to 90 degrees, something like that. And the knee is bent. And then from there, I want to have the right leg kind of starting on top of the left foot. So I really don't want you way back here. I want you to kind of come up a little bit with the leg. So it's sitting on that bottom foot. And then from there, you're gonna do I'm not gonna squish the egg, so I'm lightly lifting up the left side. So I might feel that oblique a little bit. And I'm gonna reach the right leg as long as I can. I'm not just extending the knee. So I'm not just turning it into like a quad exercise. The knee is soft. I reach my hip, that's gonna help me lift up the left side. I'm gonna turn my knee up towards the ceiling and then just hold that position. You should feel the lateral hip really cooking and you're just gonna maintain it, hold. I would do 2 sets, 20 seconds. And I would just breathe while you do it. You should feel a little left oblique. You should feel a lot of the right outside hip. Like we talked about, you might feel the hamstring a little bit, which for you I think would be a really good thing. And then relax. And then you would flip to the left side. I'm not gonna do it on the wall, but I want you to do it on the wall just for the sake of the camera being able to see. Your feet would be on the wall, about 90 degrees of bend. You're just gonna try to pull the left knee backwards. Right knee's gonna stay there. Imagine if you had a zipper on your pants, that's your guide, or kind of the rudder on your boat, and you wanna turn it up towards the left side. And then I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna squeeze lightly down into the roller. I should feel my groin really kicking on, especially on the left side. I think it'll be kind of dramatic for you. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds if it's really hard, and then relax, do 2 sets of that. But it's a left knee rolls behind the right knee with the roller, squeeze the left leg down into the roller, get the groin cooking, hold, maintain that position, you can breathe.